All right, so now let's go through some nice tips and tricks as well that could be very, very helpful for you. So the first one is, how do you add a drop-down menu? How do you add a drop-down menu on Google Docs? Okay, we're going to show you that. Excuse me, you go to your insert and you go to drop down over here. Can you see that over here? All right, let's just go over here down. We go again to insert. This is how you add a drop down menu. You go to insert and then you go to drop down. Okay, now as you can see, it says a new drop down, review status, project status, or review status. Which one do you want? Drop down's already there. And you could actually add a new one. So drop down options, you can configure it with all the different options that you want to. So title, option 1, and then I think you can also choose colors. Yeah, different kind of colors for your drop down, which is cool. And name the various options and then save. And then you have your drop down over here in different ways that you could format, whether option 3, option 4, and choosing your colors. So that's how you can use a drop down menu in Google